Hey. What did you get, Max?
This one.
What is it?
Duck.
A duck boat quacker?
Yeah.
Say duck boat quacker.
Duck boat quacker.
Did your friend Adam give that to you?
Yeah.
Did he mail you a letter?
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice letter. Look at that nice letter. I heard you went on a duck boat ride in Wisconsin Dells. We went on them in Missouri and had a great time. I have an extra quacker that I thought you might like. I'll see you in a few weeks on your birthday party. Your friend Adam.
Yeah.
Say thank you, Adam.
Thank you, Adam.
Blow out. One more time.
Out.
No, blow in your quacker.
I can't.
Try it again and blow air in there.
Okay. I get really loud.
Yeah, try it really loud.
Oh no.
Like this.